Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine. Guys, this video contains almost 50 plus creative, beautiful, simple and easy to make hand embroidery design ideas or the designing ideas through which you can design your Eid dresses, your formal party wear dresses. All of these designs are specially exquisite. They are elegant, decent and they give a touch of royalty. So high class, elite class look is being given to all of these outfits. So you can easily design your formal designer wear, your party wear, your Eid wear, your any type of festival wear. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request that I do almost many times in my videos, that please do subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads. And one more thing, do make a habit of commenting below my video, and you can subscribe from other devices as well, so that we could grow up into a large and a remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. With your love and support, we are reached at this point and we will continue to grow. So guys, now let's move back. All of these designs of neckline, all over embroidery patterns, simple bot neck, blouse style, kurti design, and different type of 3D patterns of hand embroidery, some decent, sleek, elegant, simple and light touch of embroidery, along with the central slit, side slit, long slit, necklines with the variations of design patterns, only to give enhanced patterns and easy to wear and easy to make, user friendly, beginner friendly ideas of hand embroidery and handwork. Guys, these are different terms for one single term, that is hand embroidery, thread work, thread art, needle art. So friends who are in search of beautiful, crazy, trendy and amazing styles, they must have to watch this video, and they will get a wide variety of ideas at how you can design your dresses at home. So with this, allow me to leave and stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care and don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep commenting, keep supporting us, and stay tuned. Meet you soon in a new video with a new content and new design ideas.